Hi guys, welcome to the new video. And today we'll discuss some interview questions that were asked to me in my recent interview. It happened today, so let's go. So first question was that suppose you have an application and some servers of that application is in AWS and some server of that application is in Azure. In AWS, it is those servers are under VPC, inside the VPC, and in Azure it is inside the VNet. So how will you establish a connection between the servers of AWS and Azure? So there is tunneling concept which is there, and there is VPN gateway, there is direct connect. So guys, you explore these methods, uh, so that you, if you want to answer this question, so basically there will be a gateway which will be required. Also there will be a tunneling, side to side tunneling, which will be used. And there's one method, AWS direct connect, so that we can explore. So this was one of the questions. Second question was that, suppose in Jenkins we follow master slave concept. So I want my job or something to be running on particular node. So what we will do? So we have we I basically we can put label on nodes, and in writing our script we can mention that label. We can define that this job should be, this step should run on particular node. Okay. Second question was that what is the default port number of Jenkins server, that is 8080, and if we have to change the port, suppose it is already preoccupied, so can we change the port? And if yes, how we will change the Jenkins port? Okay. Then then one question was that if we have to, like, can we install any application using S3, and if not, why? If yes, why? So I am not sure. Like I said, no, we can only store store things because it is mainly used for storing purpose. But guys, please comment down if you the right answer, and if you know. And then one question was that I want to schedule a backup on particular resource EC2, like there a backup of that resource, the data inside that resource at particular time at night at 9 p.m. So how can we achieve this? So basically I told that we can write AWS Lambda script, but how can we trigger that Lambda script? Basically his question was, how can we trigger a Lambda script, you like for backing up? So we have to schedule, there can be some events can be like notification, or like basically a event should push this AWS Lambda script to trigger, right? So we have to configure that event. So we can check what event can be configured, and based on that we can trigger the AWS Lambda scripts. Then the last question was that he wanted me to write a Terraform file, like Terraform file, where I have to create a EC2 server, and then I have to run commands to install Tomcat on that server, and this command should run once, like once the EC2 server is getting created, then that command should run. After that, if some modification on server has to be done, then that command should not be done. So basically, EC2 user data concept is used, where we can provide the command which will run basically when our EC2 resource is created. I also discuss about the provisioners, that if we can use creation time provisioners for executing the command or remote exec, so that can be used too. So basically, these were the questions that were asked to me. And please comment down if you feel that if I am wrong, and please correct me. Please respond to the questions which were asked. It will be helpful for all of us. So yeah, that's all for today's video. And yeah, bye.